Oh, geez, sorry guys. I don't know why it was zoomed into my teeth. Isn't that weird? It's crazy, these things. I still haven't figured them out. Anyways, today we are going to downtown Cabo San Lucas. We're gonna go to the marina. We're gonna explore around. I won't be doing much talking because it's a busy place, but I'll do a walking tour and that'll be cool. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're back from Cabo San Lucas. We just went to the marina. We got ripped off big time. Don't go to the marina. It's not worth it. It's not even good. There's nothing good about it. The prices are far exceed Canadian prices. It's like, why, you know? And then there's just guys trying to sell you cocaine the whole time, so it's like, who gives a shit, you know? But now we're gonna go down to Playa Cabo Bello again. Or Bello, I should say. I sound like a gringo. But yeah, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna go snorkel around. I got my GoPro so I can go underwater and check out the cool fish. And that should be nice. So we're just walking down to Cabo Bello and spotted an iguana sitting there. I was actually wondering if they had iguanas here because I hadn't seen one yet. And you know, it's a different climate than like Quintana Roo. What's up, guy? Just enjoying it. He's licking. He's like, give me some lechuga. All right, we've arrived down on Cabo Bello. And we got a nice little secluded spot here against the cliff. Not a very busy beach anyways, but we're nice and secluded here. And we're gonna go swim in there and check out the fish. All right, guys, don't mind how stupid I look. We're going in. We got our goggles. These are complimentary at the Airbnb. They're not actually ours. But yeah, here we go. All right, we went in for a bit. I was bouncing around trying to figure out my GoPro. Don't know how many good shots I got, but I'm gonna go back in. I figured out how to zoom in finally on my GoPro, so that's something I couldn't figure out for a while. We got some ceviche, fish ceviche. So for anyone who doesn't know, it's basically raw fish that's been cooked in vinegar. The vinegar actually can cook it. And onions, obviously. What are those, celery? Cucumbers. Delicious. You usually put it on a chip. Can I have one? I just want to try. I already had my own shrimp one, but I want to try her version.
It's really fishy.
It's hard. It's really fishy?
Yeah.
Okay, I need to put some on there somehow.